Y'all, for real, the other day I was holding my baby, playing with my toddler at the same time. I look down, I feel something on my leg. I look down, no joke, there's a spider like this big crawling up my leg. Ah!
Ukulele wine time.
I don't know how I stayed so calm. I'm calmly holding my baby. I managed to very forcefully flick the spider away. Normally, I do save the spiders. I try to take them outside. I am sad to say I don't think this spider made it, but needless to say, Itsy Bitsy Spider has taken on a new meaning for me this week. So we're here. This is Ukulele One Time. We're going to learn how to play Itsy Bitsy Spider today. We've got C and G, just 2 chords we need for this song, C and G. If you need a deeper dive into how to play those chords, where to put your fingers, which strings you need to play these chords, check out this video. I do a very slow walkthrough of the chords, so check that out first if you need it. If not, let's keep going. This is part of my Easy Kids Song series. I've put together this awesome group of kid songs for you, for ukulele beginners. So be sure to check that out below. There's a printable book, 10 songs, check out the playlist. Okay, enough about that. Let's play the song. So if you've got the printable in front of you, the chart in front of you, you'll notice that I've bolded the lyrics that line up with the chords. So the first one we've got is C on the word itsy. And then on the word up, the water spout, up, we move to G. And then C, we move back to spout. Let's listen first to see what that sounds like, and then you can try it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Okay, and then the next line, same 2 chords, C and G. On the word down, we've got C, down came the rain. And on the word washed, we go to G. And washed the spider out back to C. Next line, we've got out with the chord C, and then dried G, and then rain C. So this is what that sounds like. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Last line, we got C, G, C again on itsy, up, and the again of again. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, and you'll notice I'm just playing simple downstrokes with my right hand, just with my thumb for these. That's a great place to start, especially if you're trying to sing and play at the same time. Just start with that simple downstroke. Okay, let's put that all together. I'll put that on screen for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Stay there. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay. That is our simple version. If you're ready to level it up from there, we can add downstrokes. So you could stick with your thumb, or if you want to add your first finger or your pointer finger for downstrokes there. And this takes us to the heartbeat of the song. So we are in 4, 1, 2, 3. This is what it's going to sound like. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right, I think we've deserved a We deserve a little wine break after that. Cheers. If you're like, why is she drinking wine? This is ukulele wine time. Beginner songs for ukulele, and we drink wine while we're doing it. So cheers to you. No matter what you're drinking, water's cool too. Okay, let's take a look at how we can level it up from here if you're ready. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, I hope you'll cheers the like button below. Maybe you'll subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time. I hope that you will. I'm so happy that you're here. Okay, let's keep going. So let's talk about counting for just a moment. So we did our 1, 2, we found our heartbeat there. Let's count through it one time, and then we'll do another strumming pattern to level up from there. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, C, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, C, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, C, 2, C, 2, 3, 4. G2, C2. So the whole song is just C2, 3, 4. So C for 4 beats, and then 2 beats of G and 2 beats of C. And it does that 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Cool? So if you're visualizing the lines of the song in your head, if that's helpful to you, that's Itsy Bitsy Spider. If you're ready to level up, you could try a down, down, up, down, down, up, down strumming pattern. So do that a couple times with me. Down, down, up, down. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right. And if you want to mix and match those strumming patterns, you can totally do that. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. There's really no right or wrong way. You can like mix and match those strumming patterns. Let's talk about starting pitch really quickly. So we're in the key of C. That means C, that's our starting pitch for our C chord. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we start on do, so, do, ti, la, so, the itsy bitsy. So we start on, and actually if you want to play a G chord, if you want to write that in on your chart with a pencil, you can start on a G for the itsy bitsy spider. So itsy is on a C, itsy bitsy spider, and then the V is V below that is a G, but an octave lower. The itsy bitsy. Okay, hopefully that makes sense for your starting pitch. That'll get you in the right neighborhood at least. Hope you have so much fun playing this song. If you found this video helpful, I hope you subscribe to my channel for more ukulele wine time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Ukulele wine time.